Hey guys, what's happening? How to find posts, photos, or reels that you liked on Facebook. Just go ahead and click the menu at the bottom right. And then what you're gonna do, click your name at the top or your profile. And then next to the edit, you're gonna see three dots. Go ahead and click, and then activity log. Alright? And from here, you're gonna just go ahead and find your activity right here. You're gonna see comments and reactions, right? And posts, activity, and all that stuff. If you want to find posts, photos, or reels that you liked, you could go ahead and click right here, post activities. First of all, we're gonna focus on reels. So I'm gonna go ahead and click reels, and you're gonna see the reels that we liked. You can select right here the categories, your reels, effects you saved, reels draft, and all that stuff. All right, and you're gonna find it right here. But if you want to find your post, photos, or reels you liked, go ahead and click the public post. All right, and then filter next to the blue highlighted word under archive, and get to see right here your post, photos, and videos, right? And you can see right here videos you've watched, other people's posts to your feed, and all that stuff, right? You could just go ahead and hit all, and to be able to see all of your interactions across Facebook, right? So I'm gonna select categories, for example, let's say your posts, photos, and videos, and then filter by selecting let's say videos you watched, right? And you're gonna be able to see your videos that you watched on Facebook, right? And you can also see other people's feed or posts. So basically, you're gonna be able to filter it until you see your interactions with other people. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.